Ever wonder why some people just seem magnetic? It turns out attraction isn't just about looks, it's about psychology. In this video, we'll break down 5 powerful mind hacks backed by science that can make anyone more drawn to you. Let's dive in. Subtly mirroring someone's body language and speech patterns can make them feel more connected to you. Studies show that when we reflect someone's gestures, tone, or even pace of speech, they subconsciously feel more comfortable around us. Want to be instantly likable? Follow the 70-30 rule in conversations. Let the other person talk 70% of the time while you contribute 30%. Asking open-ended questions and genuinely listening creates a deep sense of connection. Strangely, asking someone for a small favor, like borrowing a pen or getting their opinion on something, makes them like you more. It's called the Benjamin Franklin effect. Our brains justify helping someone by assuming we must already like them. Making eye contact the right way can boost attraction instantly. Instead of staring, try the triangle technique. Shift your gaze between their left eye, right eye, and lips in a natural rhythm. It subtly increases intimacy and intrigue. People don't remember every detail. They remember how an experience felt at its peak and ending. So create a standout moment in your interactions, whether it's a joke, a fun story, or a thoughtful compliment. Then, end on a positive note to leave a lasting impression. Psychology can be your secret weapon in attraction. Which of these mind hacks are you excited to try? Comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more psychology-backed relationship tips.